Hi, this is Devon. I'm going to show you how to build Lego City set 4436. This is the box. Okay. And a police motorcycle that my dad owned when he was a kid. Okay, now I'll show you. This is my base. Okay, now step number. I already did a little bit of.
You didn't do that.
Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna do these black wheel things. Okay. Now the white pieces, see? And now I'll put them here, see? And now the one, see? And now step 5, that's these police signs. And see, these are the police signs, and these wheel things are more. Okay. Okay, now I completed this step 6. Now step 7. Now I use this piece for the front. Okay. And now I put some blue pieces on. Some blue lights. Okay, so I do this piece right here, see? And I broke a wheel piece off. Okay, some lights. Okay. Hi, well, this walkie-talkie didn't come with this police car. It just came from a set when my dad was a kid. So I'll put it back on. Okay. And, okay, I'll show you how to build more of this set. I put some corner pieces, kind of like a slide, on the police car. 2 of them. Okay. Now I need a little piece over here. And now I next step. Okay, 2 blue pieces. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Okay, so now I put this on. This orange lights and then gold pieces. Okay, now for the windows. Okay, where do they come on? Here. I don't know where they go. Please help me.
Well, this part is on the wrong spot.
Okay.
There. And the light is, where's the light?
Here.
The flashlight. Oh, it's inside.
Yeah.
Show that that came with the set.
And this flashlight I put inside the police car because I don't want to add another hook piece. Okay, now I put, okay. I put the number on it. Wait. Okay. See? And I put the other red light on. Okay, now I put it on over here. And now I go to the next step. This top, see? And now I put it on. And now I put the siren and the wheels. I put on 4 wheels. Okay. And now I put 2 more wheels. And now I'm done. Hi, I'm gonna build a motorcycle, but it doesn't come with my police car set. This was the motorcycle when my dad was a kid. So now I'll put the police sign on and these other police signs and this white piece for a missing light that I lost in my house, and this other police sign, and this red light that goes on the back, and this yellow light that goes on the front, and bye. Wait, no, not bye. Oops. Okay. I put Chase McCain's face on, but it doesn't come with the motorcycle. Well, he will be riding the motorcycle. Now I'll put the criminal together that just broke out of jail. So now I put his criminal hat on, and I got his gray pants and his shirt. Okay. Now I put his head on, and now I'll put together the police that comes with my police car. Okay. And I put his turn and I'll show you the barricade that I built. It comes with my police car. See? And the barricade side. Wait, when it's like this, Mom, does the camera see it?
Yeah, your face.
And see? Well, thanks for watching my video. If you have Legos like this police car and this motorcycle and this robber that comes with this police car and this policeman that comes with the police car, then if you have it, build it. Bye.